Hey everyone, welcome back to AdMe Tech Solutions. In today's video, we'll explore the top 3 AI tools that work with Microsoft Excel, helping you analyze data, automate reports, and boost your productivity like never before. If you want to make Excel smarter, faster, and easier, this video is for you. Part 1. Microsoft Copilot 030 to 110. First up, Microsoft Copilot. It's built right into Excel in Microsoft 365. Just type what you want in plain English, like summarize sales by region or create a chart for last month's profit, and Copilot instantly does it for you. Features: automates formulas and charts, analyzes data trends, creates professional summaries instantly perfect for business reports and data analysts. Part 2. ChatGPT plus Excel 110 to 150. ChatGPT integration with Excel. You can use it through add-ins or the web version to generate formulas, clean data, and even explain complex Excel errors. Example: type ChatGPT formula to find duplicates in column A, and it gives you the exact function instantly. Perfect for beginners who forget formulas or want automation without coding. Part 3. Power Automate plus Excel 150 to 233. Power Automate from Microsoft. It connects Excel with other apps like Outlook, SharePoint, or Google Drive. You can set it to automatically update spreadsheets, send reports, or collect form data, all powered by AI workflows. Features: automatic data entry, auto emails when new rows are added, time-saving workflows perfect for office tasks and business automation. Outrow 2:30 to 3 o'clock. So those were the top 3 AI tools that make Excel smarter in 2025: Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, and Power Automate. Try them out and take your Excel skills to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AdMe Tech Solutions for more smart tech and Excel tutorials every week.